So hello, and welcome to a little site called Chemical Airsoft, a site set up in a former pharmaceutical lab on the outskirts of Manchester. If you're wondering what my southern arse is doing up here, I was on a nice little holiday to go and see the Peak District, but decided to switch things up from peaceful valleys and forests to this absolute labyrinth of a CQB site. Quite the contrast there, to be honest, but how could I not? I also got to see Patrol Base, with weapons in stock. Chemical Airsoft has in fact been here for quite some time now, and it's well set up inside this site, which is a complete meat grinder by the way. This old medical lab has some of the tightest corridors I've seen so far in CQB, along with cramped rooms, machinery spaces, and cluttered cover everywhere. A lot of the fighting is point blank in here. This site has a shop, tech services, a range, toilets that aren't just a hole in the ground, plus a decent reputation. They're quite active on socials, and in fact got me planning to go at some point with this post here actually, mentioning how, at the time, they needed numbers. So, with me finally being a number, with possibly the most hilarious weapon choice, how is this place to play?
Very dead, very dead. Woo! Oh, that was a trade. Dead player. Hi, Eve. Right, she's right there.
I don't think so. What the fuck?
Oh, hit. You got so lucky the shelf stopped that. Oh, hello. What the fuck are you doing there? Whoa, whoa. That fucking nailed him. Well, that was an ending. Where'd you come from? Ah, in the hand. Shoot that door.
That one there? That
Yeah,
one there.
shoot it. Fuck! Whew. Oh shit, sorry dude. Sorry man.
Wow, did you hit me?
Yeah, I fucking blasted you, sorry.
Oh, better do it.
Ah, hit. Thank fuck I have a helmet.
Mission failed.
Hi. Well, that was anticlimactic.
I'm afraid it landed there.
Yes, that was sad. That's depressing, in fact.
Don't shoot me. I'm just going to do that so you don't lose it.
Thank you.
Alright?
Now, should we get back to killing each other?
Yes.
This is going to be shit, isn't it? Ah, damn it. Hit. Oh, perfect.
You can sit down and do this.
Oh, God, don't sit on that.
So, it's safe to say, this site very much lived up to my expectations. The site's general vibe is actually quite nice, with a small community that clearly knows each other well. People can have a laugh and a joke, but people here also play exceptionally hard. You will see a lot of point blank fighting, and you will be back and forth to respawn constantly. I'm surprised I could hold my own given the weapon I had. Space is definitely limited in here, but they've made the most of it, and apparently swapped the arena around somewhat often. If I get a chance, I would be willing to try one of their seed simulations, which uses way more of the building. Either way, I've said what I need to say. Hopefully, maybe one or two of you watching will give this site a little try. To finish things off, I leave you with some domination gameplay. Hope you enjoy.
on!
Oh shit. Sorry. He's dead. Oh fuck.
Oh, hit! Fucker!
That didn't sound good.
Hey, fuck me neck!
Oh, what a shot. We're really gonna play this game, are we? Did I fucking miss? Fuck you, Eve! Oh! That was a shot! Fuck, that was a shot!
Tom?
Oh, this is awkward.
Hello!
You're welcome to try again! Oh shit! Oh! Ah! That was close. This is a bit of a long engage. Ah! Hit! Oh, for fuck's sake, really? I don't know how the fuck we still have this. Hang on, behind you. Sorry, dude. Right there on the door.
Oi!
This is where a frag. This is where a grenade.
Over!
Oh, is that game over? Oh my god!